Did you know you can have wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto on your 2014 to 17 Acura MDX? I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We're here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we just installed the Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. Custom designed by Hamilton Motor Company in Raleigh, North Carolina, this system is going to put factory-style CarPlay and Android Auto on your original screen. It's going to integrate right into your original factory Acura screen, allowing you to easily shift between your factory reverse camera and back to CarPlay or Android Auto just like a new car. Of course, if you're streaming music or ebooks, you can use your factory steering wheel controls and your volume will continue to adjust, as well as let you skip through songs and media. This system will fully support Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, and other streaming apps. Any app with a CarPlay or Android Auto component will automatically show up here in CarPlay. Coming back home, this system preserves your factory Bluetooth. That means even for folks with upgraded audio packages, it's going to preserve 100% original audio quality. Whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or otherwise, you can see how much better navigation looks with CarPlay. Siri will read your directions.
Starting route. Proceed to Triangle Drive, then take the first right.
This system integrates with your factory microphone, and at Hamilton Motor Company, we have experience calibrating these microphones to make sure they sound good. And that makes it so that Siri has no trouble hearing you. A quick press of the voice speech button will trigger her. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently cloudy and 50 degrees. Today's high is 50 and the low will be 39.
Any app with a CarPlay component is automatically going to show up here in CarPlay. So if there's certain apps that you use in your professional or personal life and they have a CarPlay component, you'll have access to them. This over here is the split screen view in CarPlay, where you can see your navigation next to your Now Playing and notifications. It's really cool. And over here is the widgets view. This is something that Apple added in iOS 26, and we believe they'll be adding more widgets in the future. Hamilton Motor Company has our own in-house engineering team. This means we're equipped to keep your device up to date as Apple improves iOS and other features come out. Of course, that also means we're here for software updates to make sure that our devices stay working for years to come. At any time, we can long hold the back button here or the voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds, and switch back to the Acura system. Here you have your factory navigation, as well as your XM, FM, and AM radio. With CarPlay, when you're streaming music from your phone, whether you're using the XM app, Pandora, Spotify, or otherwise, we can mix CarPlay sounds into that streaming audio. That means you can hear your navigation and your music. While we maintain access to your factory XM, AM, and FM radio channels, we will not be able to mix Siri's voice into these sealed factory radio channels. We have full details about this product available on our product page. It's backed by a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee, and that means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. Full warranty details are available on our warranty and support page. Because Hamilton Motor Company employs some of the finest talent in this aftermarket CAN bus engineering space, we can make sure that our products constantly stay cutting edge and that we're here for you if anything ever comes up in the future. We also have some incredibly talented folks here in Raleigh, North Carolina to help you support your products if you have any questions before you make your purchase or after your installation. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We sell a variety of upgrade kits for Honda, Lexus, Acura, Toyota, Subaru, and more. And we're here to take great care of you. I'll see you in the next video.